Yes, diving here, June 12th at Stolen Moments. I'm going to do an after clean video. I'm going to do my best to get pretty much the whole boat in the video. It starts with the water line. We installed the customer supplied custom R2. One half went on on one side of the rudder and one on the other. I put one of them upside down. It has a connection and it will function. I think one needs to be cut down to where it does not, so that it can lay flat without hitting the bolt. You'll see in just a moment. And we also replaced the collar sink. There is a R4 that you have, which will replace your R5, but I would recommend you get a R5 when it needs replaced, but the one you have now is in perfectly fine condition. Let's go take a look.